students, welcome back to the online class of AIS. As you all know that I am Shormishta Das, your maths teacher. So today we have already started number system. So today we will start with exercise 1D. So let's get started. Number 1. Round each of the numbers to the nearest tens. We are going to solve sum number C. 3869, this is given. So nearest tens, that means I will be considering this ones place. I am encircling it. So 9 is there. Since you all know that 9 is greater than 5, so if a digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then with this one will be added up. That is the digit placed in the tens place, 1 will be added up. So this gives you 3, 8, 7 and 0 will be there in the ones place. So this is your answer. Number 3. Round each of the numbers to the nearest thousand. Number B we are going to solve. 4826 is given. So nearest thousand, that means I will be considering this 100 place. So I am encircling it. Again 8 is greater than 5. So with the thousands place 1 will be added up. So this gives you 5 and rest other all 0. So this is your answer. Next question, estimate each sum to the nearest 10. We are going to solve sum number 10. 77 plus 63. So 77 estimated to nearest tens is equal to 7 is greater than 5. So 1 will be added up with the tens place, gives you 80. Again 63 estimated to nearest tens is equal to 3 is less than 5. So 6 will remain as it is and 0. Hence the required estimation is equal to 80 plus 60. It is 140. So this is your answer. Next question, estimate each difference to the nearest tens. So 97 estimated to the nearest tens is equal to 7 is greater than 5. So 1 will be added up with 9. 9 plus 1, 10 and 0. 38 estimated to the nearest tens will give you, again 8 is greater than 5. So 1 will be added up with 3, gives you 4 and 0. So hence the required estimation is equal to 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. So 60 is your answer. Next question, estimate each difference to the nearest thousand. So 47,005 estimated to the nearest 1000 is equal to, we will consider this hundreds place, 0 is there, that means 47 will remain as it is and rest other 0, so it gives you 47,000. Now 39,488 estimated to the nearest 1000 is equal to this 4. I will be considering, since it is in hundreds position, so 9 will be as it is same because 4 is less than 5, so no change will take place in the thousands position, so it will be 39,000. Hence the required estimation is equal to 8,000, because 47,000 minus 39,000 will give you 8,000. So this is your answer. So here we come to the end of the exercise 1D. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.